In this video, I'll walk you through how to control your iPhone with just your eyes. If you find this guide useful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support fuels our ability to bring you more great content. First, go to Settings, then go to the Accessibility setting under General. Once you are there, scroll down until you see Eye Tracking. Tap on that to access the eye tracking feature. Once you're there, you will see a few options related to the eye tracking feature. Now, toggle the switch next to the eye tracking option. As soon as you toggle the switch, you will encounter a page that instructs you to follow a small dot that moves around the screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate eye tracking. As a dot appears in different locations around the screen, follow its movement with your eyes. With eye tracking, you can control the iPhone using just your eyes. An on-screen pointer follows the movement of your eyes, and when you look at an item and hold your gaze steady, or dwell, you perform an action, such as a tap. Eye tracking uses the built-in front-facing camera on the iPhone. For best results, make sure that the camera has a clear view of your face and that your face is adequately lit. The iPhone should be on a stable surface about 1.5 feet away from your face. Now, let me show you a quick session. I'm going to perform a few tasks using only my eyes. To go to the home page, I look at the little dot, and once it opens, I look at the Home option. Once I'm on the home page, I look at the Calculator app. Then it opens. Now, I'm going to multiply 5 by 6 and add 15. See, it's 45. Now, I can even play music just by using my eyes. Note, you need to calibrate eye tracking every time you turn it on. You can always come back to this page and change any settings related to eye tracking. Smoothing. Increase this value to make the movement of the pointer smoother, or decrease this value to make the pointer more responsive. Snap to item. Have the eye tracking pointer automatically move to the item on the screen that's closest to where you're looking. Zoom on keyboard keys. When you dwell on the keyboard, zoom in on the section of the keyboard you're looking at. Dwell again on a key to tap it. Auto hide. Show the eye tracking pointer when you hold your gaze steady for the specified amount of time. The pointer automatically fades while your eyes are moving. Dwell control. Turn dwell control on or off. To adjust settings for dwell control, such as the default dwell action and the duration of the dwell timer, see Setup, Dwell Control. To turn it off, just toggle off the eye tracking switch. You can always use your phone's screen. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it both helpful and engaging. If you did, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tutorials. Also, check out mediamagnet.business for a wide array of tutorials and resources on diverse topics. See you soon.